Hey everybody, if you want to see my review of this beautiful Pioneer Woman cookware set that I purchased on clearance at Walmart, stay tuned.
Go back.
Welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here today. How's everybody doing? Excuse me. In this video, I will be doing my 90-day review of Pioneer Woman's cookware set. I purchased this set about 4 months ago at Walmart. I found it on clearance for $64. Yay. $64. You're regularly $99. So when I do reviews on certain products, I like to wait at least 30 to 90 days, depending on what the product is. So I did an unboxing about 4 months ago, and so now I'm going to give you my honest review of the cookware set. So this is the large pot here. I'm getting ready to boil some water and make some chicken noodle soup by Pioneer Woman. And I just want to show you the inside. It's porcelain, and I had to look up porcelain because I really wasn't that familiar with it, just to be honest. But it's beautiful on the inside. So this cookware set came with 10 pieces. It came with the small cast iron skillet, which I have not used, but I've used a cast iron skillet before. So I won't be reviewing this in this video because I haven't actually used it. And the larger pot and lid. Then you have the medium pot and lid. And the smaller pot and lid. Then the Dutch oven and lids, and then a smaller skillet. If you want to know the exact quarts, I'll link the unboxing video in my description box. So what I like about this cookware set, number one, I love the color. I like this mint green, and I love these handles that have the rubber on them. I love that. And I love how what's the word I want to use, sturdy they are. And I like the fact that you have a lot of room to hold your pots. And I love how much space you have in between the lid and the handle. I love that. And the next thing I love is this steam release. The reason why I love that so much because the previous cookware set I had that was by Tefal, it did not have the steam release. So everybody, it's the simple things in life that makes Miss V happy. So those are three of the features that I do like about this cookware. So this is a porcelain, enamel, aluminum, ceramic, non-stick cookware, and it did come with instructions, but just like everybody else, I did not read the instructions prior to using the cookware set, but you know, I knew the basics of using the cookware set. And one thing that I did not realize until my sister told me, I didn't get it from the instructions, is that you cannot use in order to protect the lifespan of the cookware's non-stick coating, only use plastic or wooden while cooking or cleaning the unit. Metal utensils, sharp utensils, or electrical apparatus could damage the pan's coating and should not be used. Use of any of these elements will void the warranty. So I'll just be honest, everybody. That's why I like doing product reviews, because I do realize that there are people that are just like me that actually do not read the instructions. So that's why I like to do product reviews. It helps a lot, because everybody's so busy. Not saying that's an excuse not to read the direction, but that's just life. So shout out to my sister for letting me know not to use metal utensils while using this cookware set. So I use plastic and wooden utensils. And well, I did not read that part of the instructions, but I did read the cookware, the heating instructions, where it says do not start the preheating process using high heat. It wants you to start on low heat. And I did read about the oven instructions. It's only safe up until 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but not suitable for use in the microwave, which I knew that. Tempered glass lids are safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't see a reason I would put the lid in the oven, but that's some good information to know. So all in all, I'm gonna give this cookware a thumbs up. I like everything about it. I do like that it holds the heat in your food. I guess that's the porcelain. I went ahead and looked up porcelain, and I'll insert a description, a definition in this video. So if I just had to say anything negative about this cookware set, I wouldn't be able to. But if someone had a gun to my head and said there's no way this cookware set could be perfect, only thing I could come up with is it has some wear and tear around the edges just from washing it and using it. I don't know if you can see it on there. You'll see a few little spots, but not anything major, but it holds up good. Just a little discoloration. I don't know if you can see it. See if you can see it right there. Yeah, a little discoloration around the rim. But other than that, that doesn't affect how my food cooks. But other than that, that's the only thing I could say that would be negative about the cookware set. Now, let me tell you, Miss V is very busy, and I've had 2 episodes where I've left food on the stove in these cookware sets and almost burned the house down. Yes. But this porcelain cookware set saved me, because it burned, like the bottom of it, it was like burned, but you can just wipe it right off. It did not, like, the fire did not go through the porcelain, is what I want to say. So these are very heat resistant, so I think that's a good thing. Of course, I need to pay more attention while I'm cooking, but that was a good feature. So that's all I can really say about it. It holds the temperature. I noticed that it holds the temperature of your food longer than, all I could do is compare this cookware set to my Tefal set and the cookware set that I previously have. I cannot compare it to some of the other brands like Rachel Ray and all those other people. I can only compare it to the ones that I have used. So in comparison, the porcelain cooks your food more evenly, and it holds the temperature of your food longer. That's what I like about it. And I just love the inside of it. It's just well made, and it's very heavy and durable. And I love how she has her brand right here. That's beautiful. So that's it. And then you can see a little wear and tear on there, not much. So it's holding up good. So I have used these for like 120 days. And I'm not one that cooks every day. This one has a little more wear on it, but that's fine. If I wanted to, I could clean that, but I'm not concerned with that right now. But I'm one that cooks maybe twice a week. So I think I've cooked enough to give you all a honest review of this porcelain cookware set. And we'll go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And the cookware set comes with one of her recipe books. I have not tried any of these recipes, but stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Miss V, and my channel focuses on saving you money. And if they're saving you money we save you money on anything dealing with lifestyle. Save you money on groceries, cookware. So I'm gonna save you money on this cookware by going ahead and doing a review. So you can be on the lookout for one of these nice sets if you're in the hunt for a good cookware set. You see that steam coming out of that pot? I love that. You know, it's the simple things. Because with the other pot, the other cookware set I had, I used to have to put the lid sideways in order for the steam to release. So I love that. And I love these handles. So, like I was saying, Miss V, this channel focuses on save you money in any aspect of your life. If there's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen, or you can hit that link in the description box. I have a link where you can join the saving. This is gonna be the Saving with V family. And so comment, give me a comment and let me know if you have this set or if you've had similar sets, cookware sets, and what did you like about the set. And share with your friends, anyone who may be interested. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy saving money and if you enjoy honest reviews on products that I truly love and use. I'm not going to do a review on a product that I do not use. So that's it for the Pioneer Woman 10-piece mint green cookware set. So I'm getting ready to make some chicken noodle soup. The temperature finally has dropped here in Alabama. It was actually 48 degrees this morning. So I'm getting ready to cook some comfort food. And this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day. Okay, back to when I almost burned my house down. It tells you the care and cleaning of your pot. Hand wash is recommended. Interior non-stick surface and exterior porcelain enamel surface are so easy to clean that a quick hand wash with sooty water and dry thoroughly will do the tricks. Now let's go down here to when I almost burned up everything. In an extreme case, such residue can be removed by a thorough cleaning with solution of 3 tablespoons bleach, 1 tablespoon of dish detergent, and 1 cup of water. Rub this mixture to the surface with a sponge or plastic bristle brush. Rinse and towel dry. Do not use abrasive cleaners, pads, oven cleaners, or caustic cleaning solution to clean the cookware. When storing, we recommend that you place a protective sheet in between your pot and pan to minimize wear and tear. So I did not do this mixture. I just used some soap and water, and the part that I burned came right off. So I wanted to add that part to the video since I was so careless. Just to let you know, the porcelain, it was durable when I almost burned it up.